Episode 15, Protecting Your Intellectual Property. Welcome back to Start Your Business Today. If you're a creative entrepreneur, an inventor, or a small business owner, you cannot afford to overlook today's topic, protecting your intellectual property. Your ideas and creations are your most valuable assets, and safeguarding them is crucial for long-term success. In this episode, we'll break down what intellectual property is, why you need to protect it, and practical steps you can take to ensure your innovations remain yours. Get ready to take notes because there's a lot to cover. Section 1. Defining intellectual property. Let's kick off by defining what we mean by intellectual property, commonly referred to as IP. Intellectual property is a term that encapsulates various types of assets created by the mind, including patents. These grant inventors exclusive rights to their inventions, ensuring that no one can make, use, or sell the invention without permission. This is crucial for protecting innovative products or processes. Trademarks. These protect symbols, names, and slogans that identify your brand and differentiate it from others in the market. Think of logos, brand names like Nike, and catchphrases that belong to specific companies. Copyrights. This protects original works of authorship, such as books, music, films, software, and artistic creations. When you create something unique, it's automatically protected by copyright, but registering it provides additional legal benefits. Trade secrets. These are practices, designs, formulas, processes, and other confidential information that provide a business advantage over competitors. Classic examples include the Coca-Cola formula and proprietary algorithms in tech companies. Understanding these categories of IP is the first step in ensuring your intellectual and creative assets receive the protection they deserve. Section 2. Why protect your IP? Now that we've defined intellectual property, let's discuss why it is essential to protect your IP. Here are several compelling reasons. Competitive advantage. By securing your IP, you create a barrier to entry for competitors. This exclusivity allows you to capitalize on your innovations and establish a market niche. 2. Revenue generation. Your IP can become a revenue-generating asset. You might license your patents or trademarks to other businesses in exchange for royalties, creating a passive income stream. 3. Increase business value. If you're ever looking to sell your business or attract investors, a strong portfolio of protected intellectual property can significantly enhance your business's valuation. Legal protection. Securing IP rights provides you with the legal framework to pursue action against anyone who infringes on your creations. Without protection, it becomes extremely difficult to enforce your rights and prevent others from profiting off your idea. Knowing that your ideas are protected allows you to push boundaries without fear of them being stolen. Section 3. Key steps to protect your intellectual property. Now that you understand the importance of IP protection, let's dive into the key steps you need to take to safeguard your intellectual property. This is where we get practical. Follow these steps to create your own IP protection plan. Step 1. Identify your IP. Task. Start by conducting an inventory of everything you create. This includes designs, logos, inventions, written works, and any proprietary processes or unique customer insights. Note each type of IP and how it contributes to your business. Step 2. Conduct research. Task. Once you have your inventory, conduct a thorough preliminary search to see if anything similar is already patented or trademarked. Use the USPTO's patent and trademark databases for this. Step 3. Choose the right type of protection. Task. Based on your findings, choose the appropriate type of protection. If you've invented a new product, apply for a patent. For logos or brand names, proceed with filing for a trademark. For creative works, initiate the process for copyright protection. For valuable confidential information, develop measures to maintain it as a trade secret, e.g., non-disclosure agreements. Step 4. File your applications. Task: patents. Prepare and file your patent application, which might include detailed diagrams, claims about your invention, and a written description. Don't hesitate to consult with a patent attorney to ensure robustness. Trademarks. Complete and submit a trademark application, including examples of your mark in use and the goods or services linked to it. Copyrights. While your work is automatically copyrighted once created, registering it with the US Copyright Office provides additional legal protection and is a simple online process. Step 5. Monitor and enforce your rights. Task. Once your IP is protected, it's your responsibility to monitor the market for any potential infringements. Utilize services or tools that alert you if someone else is using your trademark or if similar products are patented. Step 6. Educate your team. Task. It's crucial to have your employees and collaborators understand the value of your IP. Ensure they know which information is confidential and the implications of IP theft, enhancing your overall protection strategy. Step 7. Review and renew. Task. Regularly review your intellectual property portfolio. Trademarks need to be renewed every 10 years, and patents usually have specific life cycles. Stay alert to renewal deadlines to maintain continuous protections. Step 8. Be prepared to defend your IP. Task. Should an infringement occur despite your best efforts, be prepared to defend your rights. This may involve sending cease and desist letters and, if necessary, pursuing legal action. Consult an IP attorney to explore the best course of action. Section 4. Common mistakes to avoid. While protecting your intellectual property is essential, avoid these common mistakes that can jeopardize your protections. 1. Ignoring IP management. Many entrepreneurs assume that once they file for protection, they can forget about it. This is a grave mistake. IP management requires continual oversight and action. Point 2. Inadequate documentation. Keeping comprehensive records of your development process and the creation of your IP is crucial. This can serve as evidence should any legal disputes arise about the ownership of your IP. Point 3. Neglecting international protection. If you plan to operate outside your home market, simply protecting IP domestically isn't enough. Be sure to understand how to apply for international protections through treaties like the Madrid Protocol for Trademarks. Late filing. Don't wait too long to protect your IP. The earlier you file, the better, especially for patents, which have strict time limits from when an invention is disclosed. Using unregistered trademarks. Sometimes entrepreneurs think that simply using a name or logo in commerce provides them with trademark rights. In reality, if they do not file for it, someone else can register the mark, putting your brand at risk. Section 5. Conclusion and resources. In conclusion, protecting your intellectual property is not just about keeping your creations safe. It's about securing your business's future and ensuring that your hard work truly benefits you. The steps we discussed today are vital for every entrepreneur, creator, and inventor. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your passion discoveries in the comments below. Are you ready to take your business to the next level? You can find more related materials to what we share here on bizbuddy.com.ng. bizbuddy.com.ng is a cutting-edge online resource hub, meticulously crafted to cater to the needs of entrepreneurs and business owners seeking a comprehensive repository of information, tools, and resources to bolster their business acumen.